Ever imagined your smart home turning not so smart? Locked out in the rain? Lights doing their own disco? Security system taking an unscheduled nap? Welcome, tech enthusiasts and future-proofers. You clicked because you know the promise of a seamless smart home, but also that nagging worry in the back of your mind. What happens when the Wi-Fi goes down? The power flickers? Or something else entirely? Today, we're diving deep into the crucial world of smart home failsafes and those glorious, life-saving manual overrides. We'll uncover the hidden vulnerabilities and, more importantly, equip you with the knowledge to build a smart sanctuary that won't leave you in the dark, literally. Trust me, you'll want to see how this story unfolds. So, you've embraced the convenience of smart living. Lights that dance to your voice, locks you control from miles away, thermostats that anticipate your comfort. But what's the Achilles heel of this technological marvel? Its reliance on connectivity and power. Let's paint a picture. It's a stormy night. The power flickers, your router groans its last digital breath, and suddenly, your smart lights are just lights. Your smart lock? A fancy deadbolt you can't remotely control. Your security system? Blind. This isn't just inconvenient, it can be a real problem. That's why understanding fail-safes is paramount. These are the built-in mechanisms that allow your smart devices to function, albeit sometimes in a limited capacity, when their primary connection fails. Many reputable smart devices come with basic fail-safes. 1. Local control. Some devices, especially lighting and thermostats, might revert to a basic on-off or temperature setting when the network is down. Think of a smart bulb still being able to be turned on at the fixture switch. 2. Battery backup. Crucial for security devices like doorbells and cameras, battery backups ensure they can still function during a power outage, at least for a limited time. 3. Protocol redundancy. Some advanced systems might utilize multiple communication protocols, like both Wi-Fi and Zigbee, to maintain some level of connectivity if one fails. But fail-safes are often basic. That's where the unsung hero comes in, the manual override. This is your direct physical way to control a smart device when the smart part isn't working. Think about it. A smart lock should always have a physical key override. A smart thermostat might have buttons to adjust the temperature directly on the unit. Smart lights ideally are installed in fixtures with traditional on-off switches. Now, imagine this. Sarah, a tech-savvy homeowner, thought she had it all covered. Smart locks, automated blinds, a state-of-the-art security system. But one evening, a localized internet outage hit her neighborhood. No big deal, she thought. Until, her smart lock refused to disengage with her phone. Panic started to set in. Luckily, Sarah had the foresight to keep her physical keys handy. Crisis averted. But this seemingly minor inconvenience highlighted a crucial point. Relying solely on the smart can be, well, not very smart. The real power lies in designing a resilient smart home, one that doesn't crumble when the cloud connection hiccups. Here's how. Firstly, prioritize local control hubs. Invest in smart home hubs that support local control protocols like Zigbee and Z-Wave. These protocols allow devices to communicate with each other without needing a constant internet connection. Automations and device control can often continue to function locally even if the internet is down. Secondly, choose devices with robust manual overrides. Always check if smart devices have reliable physical backups. A key for a smart lock isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Physical buttons on thermostats and light switches are your friends. Thirdly, consider hybrid systems. Don't be afraid to mix smart with traditional. Some situations might still benefit from non-connected devices that you know will always work, like a simple mechanical timer for some outdoor lights. Lastly, understand cloud dependency. Be aware of which of your smart devices rely heavily on cloud services for their core functionality. If a device needs the internet to even turn on or off, it might be a single point of failure. The plot thickens. Let's go back to Sarah. The internet was back up, but a new problem emerged. A software update on her smart lock went wrong, bricking the device temporarily. Suddenly, even her physical key wasn't working. This is the hidden layer of smart home vulnerabilities, software glitches and forced updates. This is where understanding the ecosystem and choosing reputable brands with good support becomes crucial. Sarah, resourceful as she was, remembered a little-known feature of her smart lock: an emergency reset procedure involving a specific button combination and a temporary power cycle. It was buried deep in the manual, a manual she had thankfully kept. This highlights the importance of not just having manual overrides, but also knowing how to use them. Keep those manuals. Explore the advanced settings of your devices. Understand their limitations. Building a truly resilient smart home means 1. Keeping firmware updated. While updates are important for security, be mindful of automatic updates. Consider delaying them slightly to see if others report issues. 2. Having a backup plan for critical systems. For security and access, always have a non-digital backup. Physical keys, a trusted neighbor with a spare key, etc. 3. Documenting your system. Keep a record of your devices, their settings, and any specific troubleshooting steps. This will be invaluable when things go wrong. But what if the failure isn't just a glitch or a power outage? What if it's something more? Imagine a scenario where your smart security system, entirely reliant on the cloud, is targeted by a sophisticated cyber attack. Suddenly, your cameras are showing the wrong feeds, your alarm is disarmed, and your smart lock is wide open. This isn't just a hypothetical. As smart homes become more integrated into our lives, they also become potential targets. Relying solely on cloud-dependent systems creates a single point of vulnerability. Local control is key to resilience. This is why designing your smart home with a strong foundation of local control is paramount for true resilience and security. Devices communicating directly with a local hub, independent of the internet, are far less susceptible to cloud outages and external attacks. Sarah learned a valuable lesson that night. The convenience of a smart home is undeniable, but true peace of mind comes from understanding its vulnerabilities and building in layers of resilience. Don't let the smart overshadow the importance of the manual and the security of local control. Want to learn how to secure your smart home network from hackers? Click this video that appears on the screen on smart home security best practices. Until next time, stay smart and secure.